Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to kick someone from voice channel on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At left, you'll be able to see all of these servers over here. Simply select the server of your choice. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see that particular server over here. You'll be able to see the voice channels too. Tap on the voice channel from which you want to kick someone. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to join the voice. So if you want to kick someone out, for that what you have to do is simply tap on the voice channel name that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like channel settings, voice settings, different, etc. Tap on this option, channel settings, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the channel settings. So if you want to remove or kick someone, what you have to do is tap on this option, channel permissions, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the permissions interface. At top, you'll be able to find two options, basic view, advanced view. Make sure to select the option for basic view. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your members over here. These members will be able to access your voice channel. So if you want to kick them out from the voice channel, simply tap on the cross icon right next to that particular member. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. The permission for that particular member will be deleted and they'll no longer be able to access the channel. Simply tap on this option, yes, remove now. Now you can see over here that particular member will be removed or kicked out from this particular voice channel. So that is how you kick someone from voice channel on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.